Wahala for parent wey dey dress pikin like adult. My people, some parent dey dress pikin like say dem dey go night club. Mini skirt no reach knee, top don turn handkerchief. Na pikin o, no be slay queen. You go ask why? Dem go say na fashion. Fashion wey remove childhood? How pikin wan learn decent dressing tomorrow when na you dey teach am say nakedness na confidence today? Later you go shout say society don spoil, but na you press spoil button for house. Na you dress am like adult. Tomorrow you go pray make adult no treat am like adult. See paradox. Pikin wey suppose to dey think of homework, cartoon and biscuit, una don carry am enter runway. The true talk be say parenting no be fashion show, childhood no be experiment. Some wahala wey we dey manage for society, na parents dey package am for house before dem release am. My brother man and sister woman, follow me for more true talk. I salute una. Ado.